Hello, welcome to the last episode of Life Makino AM. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you guys more about the Inert System. Let's go! What is an inert system? An inert system refers to an additive manufacturing process that utilizes a controlled inert environment that is typically achieved through a sealed chamber filled with inert gas such as argon to prevent oxidation of the material during the deposition process. Let's take a look at one of our recent projects using the AML 900 inert system. Why is an inert system necessary for DED? When metals are heated to high temperatures during the DED process, they can react with oxygen, nitrogen, and moisture in the air, leading to oxidation, porosity, cracking, and reduced mechanical properties in the final part. For highly reactive metals like titanium and aluminium, this is a significant issue. A customer from the aerospace industry approached us with a challenge. They were producing a titanium 64 component by machining it down from a solid block. This method led to significant material wastage and incurred high machining time and cost. With the low thermal conductivity and high chemical reactivity of titanium 64, there will also be rapid tool wear. This is when we leverage AM to produce the part to near net shape to eliminate the earlier mentioned challenges. Given its high reactivity nature, we implemented our inert system to ensure process stability and material integrity. The oxygen in our AML 900 can reach as low as 5 ppm. With a spacious 900 x 700 x 700 mm print chamber, there will be ample space in the AML 900 for this customer print. The end result of the project was a high-quality component that meets our customer performance and design requirements. On top of that, there was a significant material savings of over 70%. Here in Makino, we are constantly developing our materials portfolio. With our AML 900 inert capability, we are able to print materials such as ALSI10NG and titanium 64 to meet our different customer needs. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any inquiries, please drop us an email. Thank you.